Hello friends, peace be upon you all. Use the knockout option to place a solid layer of color over an image and punch out some of that layer to reveal a portion of the image. And you can add as many textures as you want. So, let's start the video. After opening Photoshop, you need to create a new document. Press Ctrl+N to create a new document. Here we will set the width and height, 2000 pixels. We will keep the resolution at 300 pixels. Color mode will keep RGB color at 8-bit. Here, we can have any background color. Suppose, I'm taking a blue background here. And, create this document here. Now, I have to write a text here. You can write any text here. Now I'm increasing the size of this text here. We will apply a knockout texture to this text. So first of all, I'm going to bring that texture here. I brought this texture here, and applied it. Now press Ctrl+G to create a group. And the layer with the texture will be inside this group. Select and activate the group. And then you have to open the blending options. Here in Blend, if you see two sliders. Here we will use the black slider of the current layer. If I press Alt and click on it, it will split into two parts. And I'll move the apart slider on the right, all the way to the right. After that I will click OK. Here I have to create another group above this group. If I press Ctrl+G, another group will be created. And this Group 2's blending options are to be opened. Here you see none written in Knockout. I will change it to Shallow. Here now we have to set the fill opacity to 0%. And you have to click on OK. Now, you can see that this knockout texture has been applied to the text. Now you can bring as many textures as you want into this group. I'm just bringing another texture here. This is another texture brought into this group. This way. This second texture has been applied to the text. And here we also bring a third texture. And this has also been applied to text. We disable both textures below. So, this third texture has been applied to the text. Knockout refers to a blending option that creates transparency by punching out the content of a layer. It is allowing underlying layers, or the background, to show through. We have applied textures through this knockout. If you want to apply any effects to the text, you can do so. Here you can set any settings you want, which will apply the effect to the text. But the texture will remain on the text. This is often used to create effects like text or shapes appearing to cut through other layers, or the background, or to apply textures to specific areas, while revealing the base color of the layer. This is a very easy and simple method. And if you liked this video, Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.